You could never listen to anyone. You always had to be different.
Well, relatively unknown. Relatively unknown. Relatively unknown. Relatively unknown. I don't want a rep, I expect a rep. When I die, put my ashes in an extra sketch, so I can keep on coming in with all these wretched threads. The stress, the press, the breath, and the best, the less. I spit with the creme de la creme by my side. This is hip-hop's equivalent of a nuclear strike. So brace yourself for the fallout. Call out every entity I've ever known. No love shown, I'm balling. Now I'm dwelling in the pyramids, hunting all you lyricists, lurking in the shadows as the frightened children mimic. That's the real life creep. Never speak, leisure spat on. Travel back in time and give Ronnie King a baton. I'm destroying tracks like I swung a fucking battle axe. Deploying troops and snipers on the roof if you dare answer back. Claim to be the best, but I'm the one denying you. Hang you from the 9th letter of the alphabet so I can keep an eye on you. Fuck backstabbers, I slash rappers that don't back us. Fuck claw hammers, I bang slappers with no mattress. Cut those stammers from fuck tongues that can't match us. Pissed off piranhas with nothing and you can't catch us. So sick of being sick of all these people being sick of me. I'm burning off my fingerprints and erasing all my history. Whereabouts are a mystery, illicit kids missing me. Strike like the military and blow up artistically. No for being above myself, I'm stepping over high planes. Flow so hot electric chairs are powered by my migraine. Type of strike like lightning when you're least expecting. My lyrics are the matter that make up a fifth dimension. Should I continue to spin you in a web that is intricate? No simplistic shit, soak the mic when I spit it. I send pricks flying when I'm trying to grab a joke. I've been leaving X-Man lying dead with real levels of dopamine. Blushing through the curtain, I'm hunting, searching for something that's above any applaud, any loving. Watch what I'm dumping on these ordinary country ambition. With fingers raised to the tradition, I envision a mission and get it written. Fuck a fable, remaining unstable, still the purest form of life and lyricism. Ever lay in a cradle, they're stepping back, asking for a distance. What's happening? Their imaginary faction doesn't fit with my rapping. If they merely had a hint of my passion, they'd see the horrors. With my vision concentrated and look at even the cockles. No one to fabricate my feelings, probably just as well that I've nobody to confide in, cause I've nothing to tell. So I don't sleep, curse of the cat. Unlucky number, heavy comer, I'm a showpiece, tough at his tap. You couldn't have me for love, no money, I'm all mine. Passion passes, casual leader, more about Mog Stein. People swap time for unnatural lies, habitual highs. Apple pies that dampen even animal lives. Switch off reality for hours at a time, deep in denial. No as bad as you would have me be to keep me on trial. Actually different, official, pushing the issue. Something this you should be put on a one, trained in the gritty hall of fame. I'm a live wire, nobody supersedes me. Do you read me, make my own rules? Learn for the lessons you people teach me. Up the ante, want to see me with nanting. That's a fantasy, I'm destined for a mention in the annals of anarchy. Don't get mad at me, a man with a family, gang companion, an important still possessing and talent and defaming fucking endorsement. I'm in the gutter with wayward strangers, laughing at the heavy state of these moralless entertainers. Unfathomable animal, habble pen and pad, and I'm jamming, no leaving a shadow of the whole damn globe. Well, relatively unknown, relatively unknown, relatively unknown,